Hello friends. So today we are checking write a C program to find the factorial of a given. So today we are checking through GDB. So here we can check online C compiler GDB. Okay. So we need to check write a C program to find the factorial of a given. Okay. We are just running while about this printing. So suppose we are entering one number, we need to find out the factorial of that number. Okay. So here we can declare int now. Then printf enter your number. Then slash n. Then scanf percentage d and right. So we get the number. Now suppose we are passing 5. So how to find out this factorial? That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? That is equal to 120, right? So here we are using whatever we are given now the number that n that is equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2, right? Up to 1. So here we are using the recursive things, right? So how we can find out the factor? So here we can include one more function that is int factorial. We are passing one data. This is a returning integer and we are passing an integer value Indian. Then if n equal to 1 or 0, that means the factorial is 1 only, right? N equal to 1, then we are returning this value to 1. Return 1. Else, what we will do else? Whatever this value, n into, we are again calling this function, recursive function. So factor n into factorial of n minus 1. We are just returning this data, right? Okay. So we are given 5, then what will come here? It will come 5 and again call 5 minus 1 factorial of 4 will call, then it will up to n equal to 1, right? Okay. Then here we are calling that function factorial of, we are passing this num, but whatever this return value, that is integer, right? So we need to assign this factorial to one variable. Here we can give fact, that is integer value. Then we are calling this fact equal to factorial of num. Now we are getting the factorial here, right? Print of factorial of percentage D, 5 is 120, right? We need to get like that. So you can give num and fact. Just run this code, enter your number, that is 3. Factorial of 3 is 6, that is correct. 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. Again run, enter your number, 4. Factorial of 4 is 24. 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24. Factorial of 5, that is 120, right? 5, that is 120. So our code is correct, right? Okay, thank you, guys.